Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start a new topic evolution. Children, evolution means the gradual development, or we can say the process by which the different kinds of living organisms are developed from the earlier forms like the history of the earth. And the theory of the evolution is based on the evidence from the different fields, among which is the comparative anatomy. The comparative anatomy involves the studying and the comparing the structure of the different organs. Like two organs are related if their organs have a similar internal structure, even if they are shaped differently. So, there is a strong evolutionary evidence in the form of the evolution like the homologous organs. Homologous organs means they organs that are similar in the structure. We can say their anatomy is similar, their origin is similar in the form of their embryological development is the similar and share a common origin, but they may be adapted to perform a different functions, so that we can say their function is different in the different organism. One example of the homology in the case of the limbs of the mammals, like for example the forelimbs of the human beings, bat wings, horse, dog, dolphin, all the functions are different, but the basic structure present in the common ancestors. So it provides the strong evidence in the form of the evolution. The second is the analogous organs. Analogous organs, they are those that have evolved separately but look alike because they are adapted to perform the same function. We can say the organs of the different animals that are different structure but they perform a same function. Their anatomy is different, their origin is different, but their function is same because they have the physical similar structure and not common ancestors. For example, wings of bat, wings of birds. They are the example of the analogous organs. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Children, today is your homework. You should differentiate between the analogous and the homologous organs. It is very important topic. Thank you children.